Welcome. Think of N8n as a friendly robot that follows your instructions again and again so you don't have to. In N8n, that set of instructions is called a workflow. A workflow is a chain of steps that starts with a trigger, runs actions, and ends with a result. It's like a morning routine for your data: wake up, fetch, clean, package, and send. This workflow builds a daily tech newsletter from trusted sources in cybersecurity, AI, and big tech. It collects the latest articles, keeps only what's new in the last 24 hours, and bundles them neatly. An AI picks the top stories, formats them into a clean newsletter, and n8n emails it to you. You save time, cut noise, and get a professional briefing without manual reading or copy pasting. A schedule trigger starts everything automatically at the times you choose. RSS nodes fetch fresh posts from many sources, then streams are merged into one flow. The workflow filters out old items, sorts by date, and wraps articles into one bundle. An AI acts like an editor. A template polishes the HTML, and Gmail sends the final email. A trigger starts the workflow, like an alarm clock saying, "Time to get the news." Actions are the steps that follow, such as grabbing items, filtering them, or sending an email. Triggers decide when the robot wakes up. Actions decide what the robot does next, step by step. RSS is how websites share their newest articles. Think of it like a reliable headline vending machine. Merge nodes combine several stacks of articles into one big pile, often grouped by topic first. Filtering keeps only what you want. Here we keep items newer than one day. Sorting then puts the newest stories on top, so fresh items come first. A small code node reshapes data, packing many items into one array the AI can read at once. The AI, a large language model, acts like an editor-in-chief, picking and organizing the best items. It produces ready-to-send HTML, the language used for emails and web pages. Finally, a mail node like Gmail delivers the formatted result to your inbox. The schedule trigger is the starting bell, set to run at times that fit your day. When it rings, each RSS node connects to one source and pulls the newest items. Sources span cybersecurity, vulnerability feeds, industry research, general tech, AI, and NVIDIA updates. Examples include the Hacker News, Krebs, NVDCVE, Google Research, MIT News, OpenAI, and ILSOL24OR. Individual streams first flow into topic-based merge nodes, like regional conveyor belts. One merge gathers core cybersecurity sites, another the CVE feeds, another AI sources, and so on. The merge all node then combines those belts into a single line of items. Now you have one unified stream ready for processing. Each article includes an ISO date, a standardized timestamp. The filter compares ISO date to right now minus 24 hours and keeps only newer items. Sorting by ISO date in descending order puts the freshest stories at the top. This keeps the briefing truly daily and focused on what's new. A code JavaScript node repacks many separate items into a single item with an articles array. For each article, it keeps simple fields: title, a short snippet, the link, and the ISO date. It's like placing all clippings into one envelope for the next step. This clean packet makes the AI's job easier and more reliable. The LLM News Summarizer uses Google Gemini with a careful prompt. It picks the most important 8 to 10 items and groups them under categories like AI and machine learning, big tech, cybersecurity, regulation, markets, infrastructure, and digital society. It avoids hype, writes short factual blurbs, and ends each item with one HTML link using the outlet name. The AI returns only a JSON object with two fields, subject and HTML. A code step sanitizes the AI output, extracts the JSON, and removes any wrappers. It drops the AI's HTML into a polished email template with a header, clean typography, and a dated footer. The Gmail node sends the newsletter to the recipient, using that HTML as the message body. On the canvas, you may see sticky notes. They are just labels and tips, not logic. Picture a security lead or tech manager who wants to be briefed fast without endless tabs. Instead of skimming many sites and seeing duplicates, they wake up to one tech and AI briefing. Items are grouped by topic, linked to an authoritative source, and read in a clear newsroom tone. In a few minutes, they're up to speed with regional context when needed, like Il Sole 24 or. Adjust the schedule to your routine: early weekdays, twice a day in busy periods, or weekly digests. Tailor sources by adding RSS nodes you love or removing noisy ones for a sharper briefing. Tweak the AI prompt, change categories, tone, or item limit. You can also style the template CSS or use the AI's subject. Duplicate for multiple editions or destinations like Slack, Notion, Google Docs, databases, plus optional dedupe or keyword filters.